salute. Reset arms. Shoulders arms. Good morning, sir. Quarter guard is ready for inspection, sir. May I have your permission to dismiss the quarter guard, sir?
Let all people be honor and glory in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
But I thought I should see you from here in Kaimbu, where this is where you work, just to say a few things, and then I'll be on my way, because we have so many other counties that we want to talk to today, in person, in their places of jurisdiction. I'd said 5:30, but I've lost some minutes. I was just handling something that came up overnight. It's good to see all of you. Maybe some of you have been here for maybe a much longer time. I know the county commissioner, I brought him here just a while ago, about a month or so. Every day when the people of Kenya go to sleep, they go to sleep because they know you and I are watching over them. Or we have a way of making sure that they are safe in their homes, they are safe in wherever they are. Any public official, Ngao, National Police Service, whether Kenya Police Service or APS, KWS, everybody here, DCI, NIS, chief, any public official who is in this business must stop. Must stop and look for some other business, an alternative business. Right? Yes, sir. It is a directive because you cannot enforce the law if you are conflicted. If you are in this business and we are enforcing the law around the same business, it's not possible. In the past, okay, operations of this nature, especially in this area of drugs and alcohol, have been frustrated by political interferences. The politicization of the fight against narcotic drugs and illicit alcohol consumption and sale has always been frustrated by politics, politicization. I remember in the past there's a time when politicians in this region were leading the war against drugs. Now, how does a member of parliament, an MCA, how do they get involved in law enforcement? So please note that this is purely a law enforcement matter. And therefore, we do not expect any reference whatsoever to political issues, and this has nothing to do with politicians, the best thing politicians can do is to support, is to sensitize the public that this operation is for the national interest and is for saving our current and future generations from collapse. Please take this event seriously.
Yes, sir.
Take this matter seriously. These are not the things you've been doing in the past, where you have an operation for 2-3 months or 6 months, and then we go back to settings. This one will not stop. That's what I thought I should clarify. It's continuous. It has no time period. It has no limits. It will continue as long as this problem is existing in our country. Other than conflict of interest, there has been a problem of officers who have stayed in one station for long. Not at your level. The command level, 2 years, 1 year, 3 years, you know, isn't it? You're transferred. But your juniors, there are characters there who have stayed in one police station, junior officers, for 9 years, 15 years, 7 years, 8 years. They have local interests. They have ventured into businesses there in the local area. They are part of the local community. Some of them have married their first or second or third wives there, so they have relatives there. And they are the ones who have entered into the unholy alliance with some of the people who are destroying the country. And they are the ones even who arrange protection fees. So the commanders are actually introduced into this thing when they arrive. We'll show you how things are done here. And some of those junior officers can be very rude. They even, in some instances, insubordinate their superiors. And they tell their superiors, we have been here for 10 years. We saw other people, they came and went. So likewise, you hang around, you'll also go, you leave us here. Now, we have talked about this issue of 3-year transfer policy for too long. And I just wanted to communicate that all the officers from all the agencies who have served in one station for 3 years and above will be transferred starting today morning across Kenya. Across Kenya. That is a directive from government. It has to be complied with, and the IG and all the other those who are responsible have been directed that all officers, that the 3-year transfer policy must be implemented without fail.